Hello everyone, 大家好. In this video, we are going to learn the very important, the basic building blocks of the Chinese language and each language, the subject pronouns and the possessive pronouns. So guys, you know that these are very important and the basic building blocks. So guys, this is Saif and you are welcome to my channel. Let's start.
So guys, first of all we will see the subject pronouns. Guys, these are very important and the building blocks. So you know that these subject pronouns are further divided into three ones. The first one is first person, and the second one is second person, and the third one is third person. And guys, you know that these three persons have further two types. First one is singular and second one is plural. So first we will see this singular and then we will see the plural. We have the singular part of three persons. The first person singular is I, and the second person's singular is you, and third person's singular is he, she or it. We see the first person singular, that is I. In Chinese we say wa, W-O, wa, wa, wa. And the second person you, in Chinese we will say ni, N-I, ni. Wa, wa meaning I, ni, 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 ni meaning you. The first person who is talking and the second person who is talking to you. Wa, ni, wa, ni. And now the third person we will say tha, T-A, tha, tha, tha. For each, he, for all. And tha is used for all, he, she and it. Guys, we have learned three singular persons, wa, ni, tha, wa, ni, tha, wa, ni, tha, wa, ni, tha. So now we move towards the plural part of these three persons. Now guys, let's see the plural pronouns of these three persons. So guys, as we have seen that these three singular persons, wa, ni, tha. If we memorize the three ones, we will be able to easily make the other ones. To make them singular, to convert these singular to plural, we just have to put here man, man, M-E-N, man. If we put here in front of wa, it becomes woman, woman, and its meaning we. First plural pronoun. And guys, if we put man in front of the ni, it becomes second person plural, which is you. Woman, nieman. Woman, nieman. Woman, nieman. Woman meaning we. Nieman meaning you, plural. And you know guys, if we put man in front of tha, then it becomes the third person plural, which is they. Very simple. Guys, if you just memorize these three one, wa, singular, ni, singular, tha, singular, then if we put one in front of these, then it becomes woman, plural, niman, plural, and thaman, plural. Wa, ni, tha, woman, niman, thaman. Repeat after me. Guys, read after me. Wa, ni, tha, ni, tha, woman, niman, thaman, woman, niman, thaman. And now guys, we move towards the possessive pronouns. Now guys, we will learn the possessive pronouns. So guys, you know that these are also divided into the singular ones and the plural ones. First of all, we will see the singular ones. So guys, just you have to memorize these three singular persons. Wa, ni, tha. These three singular subject pronouns. Okay? Wa, ni, tha. Wa, ni, tha. We just have to put here a single word which is the. If we put this single word in front of these, then they will be converted into the possessive pronouns. So let's see. If we put here the, it becomes wa, the, and its meaning is my. My. If we put guys the in front of the ni, it becomes your, singular, and we will pronounce it ni, the, ni, the. Now guys, if we put here the in front of the tha, it becomes his, her, and its, and pronounce it tha, the, tha, the, tha, the, and its meaning is, her, and its. Now guys, let's do some exercise of these three words. Wa, the, ni, the, tha, the. Wa, the, ni, the, tha, the. Now let's see the plural part of these possessive pronouns. Now guys, just we have to do the same thing as we have done in the singular part of these possessive pronouns. We will do that. We just put this the in front of these plural subject pronouns. Woman, niman, and thaman. Woman, niman, and thaman. We'll just, if you put this the in front of the woman, it becomes our. And if we put in front of the niman, it becomes nimanda, and its meaning is yours, plural form. And if we put the in front of the thaman, it becomes their. How we will pronounce this? Let's practice. Woman, the, niman, the, thaman, the, woman, the, niman, the, thaman, the, woman, the, niman, the, thaman, the. Now guys, we will practice from the beginning to the end. First we have seen the singular subject pronouns. Wa, ni, tha. Wa, ni, tha. Now plural. Woman, niman, thaman. Woman, niman, thaman. Now see the possessive pronouns singular. Wada, 你的他的我的你的他的 Now plural 我们的你们的他们的我们的你们的他们的 Hope you guys would have enjoyed the video and I hope that you have learned a lot from this video. So guys, please give me some give me your feedback and also give me some suggestions so that I can improve myself and my way of teaching. And hope you guys will enjoy the video and please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends so everyone can get the knowledge from my videos and like my video. Thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.